state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping. That is a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. 2023 CR 2763D, State of Texas versus Jose Jared Victorino. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Megan Enriquez and John Hughes for Jose Victorino.
All right.
This part may sound repetitive. Rights, waivers, confirmations. But this is constitutional armor. The judge is building a record. Every, do you understand? Protects the plea from being overturned later. If he tries to say, I didn't know what I was doing, the transcript will say otherwise. This is procedure, yes, but it's also precision.
And are you Mr. Soto Victorino?
Yes.
All right. I'm sorry for not rolling my R's. I'm just not able to do that, but I'm working on it. We have the interpreter here. Could you raise your hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Cesar Chavez, license number 2203.
All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe we have.
All right. The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Victorino, all the documents that I'm going to go over with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
All right. And defense, were you able to explain the documents to him in Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor, and the actual paperwork was done through the translator.
Did you catch that hesitation? No. Yes. That moment matters. Judges are trained to stop when there's confusion. A plea must be knowing and voluntary. No pressure, no misunderstanding. That quick backtrack wasn't awkward. It was essential. One unclear answer can unravel an entire conviction on appeal.
All right. And there are no applications?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Victorino, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we're going with the lesser included offense of kidnapping.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Victorino, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping? That is a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter?
And here's where this case expands beyond prison time. Immigration consequences. Deportation. Permanent bar from returning legally. In criminal court, the sentence might be 2 years. But in immigration court, the consequence can be lifelong. That's why you heard mention of a Padilla letter. Defense attorneys are constitutionally required to explain immigration risks. This isn't just about serving time. It's about exile.
Into a plea in this case?
No contest.
All right. Now, I want you to listen to me clearly. Do you understand the rights that I've explained to you?
Yes.
All right. Are you giving up those rights and entering into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
How do you mean?
All right. Are you giving up those rights?
No. Yes. Yes.
All right. Let me backtrack. Do you understand all of the rights that I've explained to you?
Yes.
Do you want to go to a jury trial?
No.
Do you want me to follow the agreement that's been reached with your attorneys in the state?
Yes, please do that.
All right. Have you understood everything that I've discussed with you so far?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Soto Victorino, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Defense, would you like to address that issue?
Yes, Your Honor. The court appointed an immigration attorney from the public defender's office. She has met with him, I believe, 3 times. She met with him back in July. She met with him by video visit yesterday. And today she presented him with the Padilla letter that she reviewed with him through the interpreter. He's aware of all of the immigration consequences. We've discussed them at length. I've discussed them with him. I've discussed them with his family. And he's discussed them with the immigration attorney. He understands that after his sentence is complete, he will be transferred to immigration custody and likely be deported. He has no intent to return to the United States. He intends to return to his home country of Mexico, and he has no intent to ever return to the United States, and he understands he won't legally ever be able to do so.
Mr. Soto Victorino, did you hear what your attorney just stated to the court?
Yes.
Did you understand what she has stated to the court?
Notice how smoothly that moved. No live testimony. No dramatic witnesses. Just stipulations and reports. That's what happens in negotiated pleas. Efficiency replaces spectacle. But don't mistake quiet for insignificant. In less than 10 minutes, a man's future has been permanently altered.
Court.
Yes.
Is what she stated to the court your understanding of your immigration consequences?
Yes.
Right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2023 CR 2764D. Defense, did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Soto Victorino, did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
And did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of kidnapping?
Yes.
Right. Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorneys? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Oh, my pen.
Sorry.
That's okay. Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense of kidnapping, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
And here's something people often overlook. When you waive your right to appeal in a plea bargain, that's powerful. Appeals are safety nets. By signing that waiver, he's essentially saying, I accept this outcome. The court followed the deal, so legally, the door is closed.
All right, Mr. Soto Victorino, Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. We just respectfully ask the court to follow the plea bargain agreement that we've reached with the state.
All right, the court will find you guilty of kidnapping, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time.
Now watch this shift. The legal proceeding is technically over. Sentencing complete. But the judge isn't speaking as a referee anymore. She's speaking as a human being. This is something you don't always see on paper. Judicial philosophy. She's not adding punishment. She's adding perspective. And sometimes that lands harder than the sentence itself.
Sir, taking consideration 2023 CR 2764D, and there's to be no illegal reentry into the United States. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
No, I don't have any questions.
No. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
All right. We can go off the record. Mr. Victorino, how old are you? 22. All right, Mr. Victorino, let me just tell you something. I read the police report.
And that's the moment that defines this hearing. Not the plea, not the sentence. The confrontation with conscience. Courtrooms deal in statutes and evidence. But justice also deals in reflection. He walked in as a defendant negotiating a deal. He walked out as someone who had confront the human cost of his actions. Prison will measure time. Deportation will measure distance. But that conversation, that measures character.
Everything. In this world, you're going to find that you cannot build your happiness, your financial success off someone else's misery. And it appears from reading things, that's what you were doing. You were doing that with people who were hoping to come to the United States, and you were building your happiness off their misery. In this world, I've discovered on my short time on the planet, even though I'm in the twilight of my life, it's still a short time on the planet. Karma does exist. And what you were doing, I don't think you would want somebody to do that to your relatives, would you?
No.
All right. Is your mother still alive?
Yes.
Is your father still alive? Do you love your parents?
I love them.
Oh, do you love them very much? Would you do anything for them?
Yes.
Do they live here or do they live in Mexico?
Mexico. In Mexico.
How would you like for somebody to take advantage of your mom and dad the way you were taking advantage of people bringing them here? Would you like that?
No.
And see, you know what? If somebody were to do that to your mom and dad, guess what they would be doing? They would be building their happiness of your mother and your father's misery.
Let's pause right there. A third-degree felony in Texas carries 2 to 10 years. That's real prison time. And notice what the state is doing. They're proceeding on a lesser included offense. That usually means something more serious was originally on the table. Translation? This is already a negotiated step down. The temperature in the room might sound calm, but the stakes are anything but.
Life is short for everybody. So do not go through life hurting other people. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And do not come back to the United States unless you're back here legally. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.